Good day, guys. Today for English Language Arts, we're going to read together through a simple passage about the kitchen. And then we will answer a few questions using highlighter dots, and I'll show you just how to do that. First, let's take a look at the title. The title says Kitchen. And we look at the illustration that they've given us, and it's an illustration of a kitchen. So we have a pretty good idea that the topic that we're going to be talking about or reading about today is about the kitchen. So follow along with me. The kitchen is where we spend a lot of our day. We prepare our food, eat our dinner, and talk with our family. This is where we wash the dishes and keep our milk in the fridge. The kitchen is a special place. See, it was a short passage, not too bad. So now let's take a look at the questions that we have. Number 1, it says, where do we cook our food? And you've got 3 choices. The first choice is a picture of a kitchen. The second choice is a picture of a bathroom. And the third choice is a picture of the bedroom. To show me your answer, you're going to come to the side over here and grab one of these highlighter dots and drag it to what you think the answer is and drop it. Right here, I want you to take a look at, you see how when I move my arrow to this little area here, it kind of gets dark? When it gets dark, you can click on it and grab it and move side to side. So if you're not seeing your entire screen, say it looks like that, and you're only getting half of the screen, you can bring your cursor down here, click on it, grab it, and take it to the side, and you'll see the rest of your assignment. So again, here's the question. Where do we cook our food? The kitchen, the bathroom, or the bedroom? Well, I know we don't cook in the bedroom. That's where we sleep and rest. So that's not the answer. And I definitely know it's not the bathroom. That's nasty. That's where we take care of business. So we don't take food in the bathroom. So I think the answer is the kitchen. So I'm going to take my cursor, hover over one of these dots, anyone will do, click on it, and then you're going to hover until you see that little crosshairs. We've seen this in several of our assignments. It kind of looks like a white compass rose almost. It's got 4 arrows pointing in all directions. When you see that, left click on it, hold it, and drag it to where you want it to be, right over the kitchen, and drop it. Let go of your click, and it should highlight the answer that you chose. So you're going to do that for questions 2 through 5. What can we do in the kitchen? Do we play, sleep, or cook? Drag one of your highlighter dots to the answer that you think it is. Number 3, what do we keep in the fridge? Food, toys, a bed. Number 4, who do you see in your kitchen? Your family or your teacher? And number 5, who cooks in your family? Mom, Dad, Grandma? Number 5, any answer is correct. A lot of people cook in the kitchen, so there's no wrong answer here. Good luck, boys and girls. And as always, if you have any questions, you can call up to my classroom, message me, or email me, okay? Good luck.